All right, y'all. Sorry for the wind noise. I already know it's gonna be bad. Ooh, look at all the parrots. I don't know if y'all can even see the dust. Can y'all see all the dust? Anyway, yeah, the wind's gonna be cheeks. So the birds are gonna be flying fast. Audio's gonna be bad. Gaston's on his way. So hopefully we'll be able to kill some dove. I sniped that boy. Did you shoot? No. Bro, I let him like 4 or 5 feet. I honestly did not think I was gonna get it. A fat boy. Number 1. Oh, they're right, they're right. Here.
It's right there.
I don't think you would have gotten that one, right?
No.
He literally flew over the edge and then shoot. Rip! It's in the water. Rip! Gaston? I kind of need your help. I kind of don't want to go swimming.
Shit. Can you get it?
Give me your hand. Give me your leg or something. Okay, hold on. No, he's right here.
Oh.
Okay. Hold on.
I believe you got it.
Dude, there's so many frogs. It's because I step and it's mud. And if I step any harder, I'm just gonna.
What's up, Richard?
What do I do with the phone?
Just take it to my house and drop it off over there.
Okay.
All right. Later.
Is that a duck?
Yeah, shoot it, shoot it, shoot it, shoot it, shoot it. Hey, you got it. You were like moving sideways, falling.
Yeah.
You better kill this bird.
Let's shoot it up.
Shoot it. I don't know if I got him or he's just standing there. I think I got him. Oh yeah, he did. Ow! Not gonna lie. Oh, I thought that was a body. Dang, look at all the dove poop up here. Shoot it. I was like, shoot it, kid. He landed on, like in line with the mojo.
I just took a while because I was like, I don't want to drop my water. I have my water like this, and I just like.
I didn't think you were gonna get him.
Huh?
I didn't think you were gonna get him. I was like, I'm about to shoot this bird. I would go get him now. You got 3 there.
And that one down there looks really good for swimming.
I got 2.
Oh, is that the same ones?
What do you mean? No, thank you. I should have got 2. I know I got 1.
Or they just like dropped down?
One's there, the other one might have rolled down. Headshot. Oh yeah, look, there's the other one.
I'll go down for you.
Thank you. I got two guns. Imagine if it just fell.
Oh, right. Oh, right in the eyeball.
Yeah. Just stick him in the bag. Oh, you ripped his head off. No, we're in the picture. Here, grab the gun.
Oh, sorry.
Grab the gun.
Oh, I was like, what are you trying to do? Oh, wait.
Okay, hold on. Give me your hand. Holy shit, that was loud.
I told you that.
Hey, he hit the tree and fell. Yeah. That's all you. Oh, I got 4 on this side.
I actually did reload though.
Good.
It just didn't close.
Hey, you got him. I got 2. Oh, never mind.
I waited too for him to. Fuck.
Well, he's right there.
Yeah, I know, but damn, it still got to drop down to him.
Look at all them feathers. I know. Did you shoot at that one?
I did. I don't know who got him though. I have a really good headshot on one.
I just got a headshot on this one. It was like I got a double. Oh look, 2 headshots.
This guy's head is like, the crown is just open.
Oh, like you blew his head off. Hey! Maybe. Gotcha, boy. He didn't even know what hit him.
Where'd you throw it?
A rock? You have a better chance of the wad hitting the bird if you shoot it from here than the actual BB. Like last year when I was shooting, I think it was your gun, when I freaking hit him with the wad.
Oh, fucking, oh, really hard? Yeah, I remember like, when you're like, can I try your gun? I was like, yeah. And you went out there with the full, and the first shot, blew up a dove. Just mutilated that poor bird.
You can get 2 with 1 shot. Shoot it.
Goodbye, motherfucker.
What did I tell you? 2 with 1 shot.
Stay over there.
Get him. Here you go. I'm dancing around this dude.
God, there's just blood trails.
Yeah, that's where he flopped down. Look here, right here, there. See him. There's a whole freaking flock. Oh, this freaking bird. Well, let's get our rocks and start throwing them at him. I shot his butt out. These bullets are a lot louder.
More gunpowder.
He landed like, yeah, right there. He's probably dead. You were way off. Reach him with your gun. Oh, he fell. Watch him fly. Okay, I got it. Oh, you killed him with your flick.
I broke his neck, I think. Oh, I was just like some dove in opening season, and like this lady just like looking at me like this. I just smiled at her.
I got him marked. I was like, what are you doing?
Just straight up beating him up, dude. Oh, damn. Right over us.
Oh, look.
Oh, yeah. Dunzo.